Assalamu alaikum. This is Sir Talha and welcome to my channel. Without wasting any time, let's start the content. Today's content is about chapter 8, hyperbola. What is hyperbola? A hyperbola is a set of points P in a plane whose distance from a fixed point S called a focus and a constant value E greater than E is always greater than 1. This is the definition of hyperbola. For ellipse, E is always less than 1. For parabola, E is equal to 1. Alright, so I'm drawing hyperbola. Standard equation of hyperbola. This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. If ellipse is divided into two, then it's called hyperbola. Or this is the transverse. In ellipse, we consider major axis and minor axis. In hyperbola, transfer axis is the main axis, which tells the direction that it is on x and y axis. All right. So these are the specific foci. Foci is equal to c comma 0. This is the point 1 of foci, and this is the point 2 of foci. These two are the foci points. This we can say it s dash and minus c comma 0. All right. The points here are called vertices. A dash minus a comma 0 and a comma 0. All right. This is called directrix, k dash and k, and this is called transverse, the distance between the two vertices called transverse axis. Okay, it's called transverse axis. These all are the things for hyperbola. Now I am writing the points. The vertices center is 0 comma 0. Foci is plus minus c comma 0. Vertices are plus minus a comma 0. That's what I all plotted in the diagram. Lattice rectum remains same. Length of the lattice rectum is 2b square upon a. Equation of directrix. X is equal to plus minus a upon e. When transfer axis is at x-axis, then eccentricity is the same. Relation got changed. Relation is now c square a square plus b square. In ellipse, relation is a square minus b square. This is for ellipse and this is for hyperbola. Okay, these all are the things for hyperbola. Now I'm writing the standard equation for the hyperbola. Standard equation for the hyperbola is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. This is the standard equation of the hyperbola when transfer axis is at x-axis. This is for x-axis. Transfer axis is at x-axis. When a, where a will be positive, there the transfer axis is at that axis. Now a is written in below the x-axis. That's why this is for x-axis. Transfer axis lies on the x-axis. I'm writing the equation for the y-axis. If the hyperbola lying on the y-axis, then the equation becomes y square upon a square minus x square upon b square is equal to 1. The points will become, I'm drawing a rough figure. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. Now the hyperbola will be this, like this. All right, this will be directrix. These will be all points. There's a focus point. This will be vertices. And the points will become, I'm writing the point center 0, 0, foci 0, plus minus c. Every value will come on the y-axis side. Vertices 0, plus minus a. Equation of directrix, y is equal to plus minus a upon e. Equation of directrix become this. Lattice rectum length remains same. 2b square upon a always remains same. And eccentricity remains same. E upon c upon relations remain same. A square plus b square. This is all from the standard equations of the hyperbola.